Hold on to your cowboy hats because this wild fact is about to jump right out at you. Fleas might be small, but they're like the Evel Knievels of the animal kingdom. These tiny critters can leap over 100 times their own body length in a single bound. That's like a person jumping over a football field in one go. Fleas use their powerful back legs like a spring-loaded rodeo, launching themselves onto their next target. So next time you see a flea, remember, you're looking at one of nature's most impressive athletes. Like and follow for more wild wonders.